In this lecture, we will do methods of circular convolution. There are three methods to perform circular convolution. The first is graphical method, the second is using matrix method, and the third way to perform circular convolution is using DFT. In this lecture, we will do graphical method of circular convolution. This graphical method of circular convolution. Let the example is, let x of n is 0, 1, 2, 3 and h of n is 2, 1, 1, 2. Remember, in circular convolution the length of two sequence should be equal. If the length is not equal, then make it equal by appending zeros in smaller sequence. So the length of sequence is 4, means capital N is equals to 4. We have to find, or we have to calculate the circular convolution of this given sequence by using graphical method. Now length of sequence is 4. Formula for the circular convolution you all know is this one. We have to plot the graph for the in this method. Y of m, n is from 0 to capital N minus 1, x1 of n into x2 of m minus n of, we write here 4 because capital N is equals to 4 and m varies from 0 to n minus 1. So first we will calculate m is equals to 0. N varies from 0 to n minus 1 and m varies from 0 to n minus 1. N is 4. So value of m or value of n in this equation is 0 to 3. So here m, first calculate for m is equals to 0. We write y of 0 summation 0 to 3 because capital N is 4, x1 of n and the second sequence. We are finding the value for m is equals to 0. So this becomes x2 of minus n and here we write 4. This is circular sequence. The sequence given are x1 and h of n. We write here x1 of n and x2 of n. So let x1 of n, let x of n is equal to x1 of n and h of n is equal to x2 of n. It doesn't matter, you can write here x2 or you can write here x1. These are interchangeable, x1 and x2. So in equation the given is x or h and we write it as x1 and x2. So first plot this equation. To plot x1 of n, x1 of n you have to plot and x2 of n you have to plot. X1 of n is circular sequence and we plot simple circular sequence by anti-clockwise direction, and this is the folding of circular sequence. Folding of circular sequence is plotted using clockwise direction. Circular sequence, circular plot of sequence was elaborated in lecture I think second. So first you have to go through that lecture and then you will clear it. So to plot sequence x1 of n you have to go anti-clockwise direction. So this is the plot of x1 of n and you have to go to anti-clockwise direction, mean in this direction. So you write here x1 of n, x1 of 0, x1 of 1, x1 of 2 and x1 of 3 in anti-clockwise direction. x1 of 0 is 0, x1 of 1 is 1, x1 of 2 is 2 and x1 of 3 is 3. So now you have to plot this anti-clockwise sequence, sorry, folding sequence, and you have to plot this folding sequence in clockwise direction. So draw second circle. Okay, this circle is for sequence x2 of n and this is folding, and folding you plot in clockwise direction. So let's start from here. This is clockwise direction is means you have to plot in this direction. x2 of 0, here you will write, see, here you write x2 of 1 clockwise direction, x2 of 2 clockwise direction, x2 of 3, and the sequence x2 sequence is given as 2, x2 of 0 means 2, you write here 2, x2 of 1 is 1, you write here 1, x2 of 2 is 1, you write here 1, and x2 of 3 is 2 and you write here 2. So first you plot x1 of n sequence, then you plot x2 of n sequence, then the third is multiply these two sequences and then add up to 0 to 3. Multiply two sequences, x1 of 0 is 0, x2 of 0 is 2. So you write 0 multiply by 2. Then x1 of 1 is 1. Here you write x2 of 3, that is 2. So multiply 1 multiply by 2. Similarly, here x1 of 2 is 2 and x2 of 2 is 1. Multiply this 1 by 2. 1 into 2 or 2 into 1. Here x1 of 3 is 3 and x2 of 1 is 1. So you write 3 into 1 and then add. 0 into 2 is 0 plus 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2 and 3 into 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 7. So y of 0 calculated is value is 7. You get y of 0 is equal to 7. Similarly, you have to perform for m is equals to 1, m is equals to 2 and for m is equals to 3 because m varies from 0 to n minus 1 and here n is 4, 0 to 3. Now you take m is equals to 1, you write m is equals to 1, y of 1, n is from 0 to capital N minus 1, 3, y1 of n, and here in the formula is y2 double bracket m minus n, m minus n. So you put here m is equals to 1 and this become y2 1 minus n. y2 1 minus n means y2 1 minus n means first you fold the sequence and then you delay by 1. Okay, clear? It is folding and delay. So first you have to fold the sequence x2 of n. Again see, first you have to plot the sequence y1, sorry x1. x1 is simple sequence. Simple sequence is plotted in anti-clockwise direction. Clear? This sequence will be plotted in anti-clockwise direction. So anti-clockwise direction means this direction. You start from x1 of 0, then go to x1 of 1, then x1 of 2 and then x1 of 3. And the values are x1 of 0, 1, 2 and 3, previous values. Now you have to plot this x of 2. How you will plot this x of 2? Draw a circle. X of 2 means folding and then delay by 1. Folding you have plotted in previous page like this. Here you write y x2 of 0, 3, 2 and 1. Then delay. Delay means x2 of 0 will go to anti-clockwise direction by 1. Folded sequence will be shifted in anti-clockwise direction by 1 because we have to perform delay by 1. Circular delay is shift every sequence anti-clockwise. Circular delay is anti-clockwise. Okay. So you delay this previous sequence. Anti-clockwise means x2 of 0 will go to this position. 3 will go to this position. Okay. x2 of 0 go to this position, 3 go to this position, 2 goes to this position and 1 goes to this position. Delay is delay of folded sequence. Last you draw the folded sequence this. Then folded sequence x2 is delayed by 1. Delay means shift every sequence anti-clockwise by 1. So x2 of 0 is 2 x2 of 1 is 1, x2 of 2 is 1, and x2 of 3 is 2. So you write here 2, 1, 1 and 2. Again the same thing. Multiply x1 of 0, the value is 0, with x2 of 1, the value is 1. So 0 into 1, here x1 of 1 is 1 and x2 of 0 is 2. So you write 1 multiplied by 2. Here x1 of 2 is 2 and x2 of 3 is 2. So you write here 2 into 2. Here x1 of 3 is 3 and x2 of 2 is 1. So you write 3 into 1 and then add 0 into 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 1, 3. 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 2, 9. So y1 of m calculated value is 9. Similarly, go for m is equals to 2. You write m is equals to 2 y of m summation 0 to 3 x1 of n and 2 x2 of 2 minus n. Means you have to delay this one by 1, because this is the plot of x2 of 1 minus n, and here is x2 of 2 minus n, means delay of this. Delay means go shift it in anti-clockwise direction. Clear? Here is, see, here is x2 of x1 of n is as it is from the first m is equals to 0, means x2 x1 of 0, x1 of 1 anti-clockwise, x1 of 1, x2 of x1 of 0, x1 of 1, x1 of 2. Clear है ना? x1 of 2. Here it is x1 of 3. ठीक है? So x1 of n is same thing. Now x2 of 1 is here. It will go to this position because you have to shift one every sequence by 1 in anti-clockwise direction. So x2 of 1 will be at here, x2 of 0 will be at here, x2 of 3 will be at here, and x2 of 2 will be at here. The sequence of x2 is x2 of 0 is 2, 1 is 1, 2 is 1 and 3 is 2, and the x1 sequence is at 0 0, at 1 1, at 2 2 and at 3 3. So now you have to multiply. Here is x1 of 0 is 0, 0 multiply by 1, 0 multiply by 1. Here is 1 multiply by 1, 1. Here is 2 multiply by 2 is 2 multiply by 2. Here is 3 multiply by 2, so it is 3 into 2. 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4 and 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 4 10 plus 1 11. So the value of m2, calculated value for m2 is 11. Similarly go for m is equals to 3. Okay, m is equals to 3 you have to do yourself. The values will be m is equals to 3 comes out to be 9. Calculate in the similar way. You have to shift this y2 in anti-clockwise direction by 1 and you will get x2 into 3 minus n. Okay, when m is equals to 3, and then write here multiply and add, then you will get the value 9, and the final result of circular convolution of given sequence x of n and h of n is 7 9 1 1 7 9 11 9. This is the answer of circular convolution. In next lecture we will do matrix method. Thank you.